We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all and hopefully help y'all to become more informed investors. Salute to everybody that's rocking with me. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button ASAP as soon as you pull up. Hey, first things first, I gotta say, watch out for the scammers in the comment section pretending to be me. They're using my profile picture and telling you to message them or comment or whatever, call them on WhatsApp. I will never tell you to do that. So please do not fall for any of their scams. If it's not my official social media pages in the description section of this video, it is not me. So appreciate all them new members. We have over 7,000 new subscribers. YouTube is still telling me we have 24,000 unique viewers that is watching between 6 and 7 videos per week that have not subscribed to the channel. If that is you, please subscribe. I'm doing, a lot to bring all this information fresh, up to date, and this technical analysis that nobody else is bringing to YouTube. So come join our private community at Private Stock Market Game on Facebook. You have to have the book. The link to the book is in the description section on Amazon right now. If you don't have the book, you will not be allowed in here just at this moment. So, if you want to get, you can still join the waiting list in case, I ever do let anybody in. But if you want to get in ASAP, grab the book. So follow me on Twitter as well at DecemberDeMarco, as well as on Instagram at DecemberDeMarco. I will be doing exclusive live streams on Instagram today. Make sure y'all go tap in. I might be doing a giveaway over there. So we got the market looking, holding strong for right now. Everything's going according to plan. I told y'all that we will pull back to that 24 level last night in my last video. Please go watch my last about 20 videos. I've been teaching classes in each one of these videos, teaching y'all new things, new skills so that you can become a better informed investor. So now, if you start to stack all these different things that I've been teaching on top of each other, you will begin to form a different, or a better perspective of what's happening on the chart and being able to interpret this data, from, just a more informed position. So we're going to do some technical analysis real quick. Look at how this is looking. If y'all are at the point where y'all starting to be able to eyeball this is looking good. So y'all see ASAP, we are finding support areas. We got some resistance, support area here, but we're still trading right above this middle Bollinger Band. So remember, I introduced y'all to Bollinger Bands in one of my last videos. If you don't know what this is, you have to go back to the last videos and understand how this works. So you notice we went super parabolic, bullish, riding along this upper Bollinger Band. Now we began to see it pull away from the upper Bollinger Band. Now here, this could have been a sign to people. Now I'm teaching y'all, just how to trade. I'm holding Shiba Inu 5 years plus, so I'm not actually, telling you to sell your position. But a lot of people, a lot of investors that basically know how to read the chart, they would have their stop losses set somewhere under here to know that, to let their bags go, that we're not pushing, that we're not going to continue this bullish movement, and that we're going to continue to the downside until we get to this point of the mid Bollinger Band. Remember, I told y'all that the price basically trades between these bands, but right now we're on the 4-hour chart. If we go in a little closer to the 1-hour chart, you'll see a little more price action. So if you notice, we are impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. Notice every time we have that correction, we pull back to this mid Bollinger Band area, basically. So that's what I want y'all to, to start to pay attention to. So one good tip for right now is to go long or enter a buy position once the price touches the lower Bollinger Band. Once the price touches the lower Bollinger Band, that is considered to be basically a discount for the value of the asset. So right here you can see, now here we didn't get to touch the lower band because the bulls kept stepping in. You see we had a support here, but here at this range, you notice we touched that lower Bollinger Band, and as soon as we get into that range, once the candle breaks through there, bulls automatically know to buy right here. Why? Because this is a discount buy. The price is undervalued right here. So when you see the price moving up to the upper Bollinger Band and riding along it, that generally means that it's expensive. You don't really want to buy when the price is riding on the top Bollinger Band. You want to try to get it during a correction before the next impulse. So that's what you want to kind of wait for. Now remember, you have to stack these videos together because I'm giving a lot of different insight, and once you put it together, it'll make a lot more sense. So right now, we are holding at that 25 range. I called in my video last night the 24 range we should be holding. But if y'all are paying attention to this, y'all could see we had a lot of noise in that range where I said we will basically be staircasing in that range of each support that we were seeing yesterday. Now I do still believe we have a breakout on the way. So let me go back to my 4-hour chart. Somebody also asked me, why do I like to use the 4-hour chart? So the reason why I go 4 hour is because it gives you a more serious, more mature look at the market, or, you know, just a macro view of what's happening, you know, at a bigger time frame versus zooming in to a lower time frame and seeing a lot of, you know, immature movement that might not be too for sure. So basically I like to go with the 4 hour because the movements in the candles are more movement. You get more price action. You get more confidence that the market is moving in the direction that you assume it is. So that's basically why I like the 4 hour. It just gives me more confidence that this is true, because if I was looking at the 1 minute chart, think about it, the 1 minute chart is bouncing up and down, going left and right, you know, up and down, whatever. It's all over the place. But so it's kind of a little bit harder to, well, it's not, it's the same principles, you know, it's looking at a bigger hour or a bigger time frame. But if we're holding long term, or if we're, you know, in this for a longer period, then you want to look at a higher time frame. Looking at it for a lower period like this is for day traders. So now when I'm trading options, yes, I will look at the 5 minute chart. So it's a lot different because I'm scalping. It's a lot more movement. So you see right here, we're getting some breakout on the 1 minute chart. Now you notice how we see a lot more movement here because we're on a 1 minute chart. So it's showing us minute by minute, each minute what's happening during that candle or that time frame. So it's just, you know, it's just too immature. It's not enough certainty in this movement for me. So I like to look at a bigger time frame so we can get a more informed or just a more confident idea of the trend. So you see here, we can see for the last 4 hours, or not the last 4 hours, I'm sorry, but we can see this trend has been continuously moving up on the 4 hour chart. If we were looking at the 1 minute chart, it's kind of, you know, shaky. It's kind of hard right here to determine, you know, it's like right here trading sideways. You know, it's just not as clear to us what's happening. So here, you notice, if you've been paying attention, I showed you this right here, what we're forming is called a doji candle. What happens with a doji candle at the bottom of a downtrend? Drop that in the comment section. I'm gonna give y'all a moment to put that answer down there, because I told y'all this is really like a class. I'm literally looking for the people who comment the answers, who are engaged with the channel. Eventually we will have it set up where I'm literally going to be giving those that pass the test, those that are, you know, really showing that they are progressing, you know, through this journey, diplomas and certificates to mark the progress that y'all are seeing. So welcome to StockGoat University, man. Appreciate y'all. Also, we have some very, very big news. I'm going to allow the community to fund wrapping my BMW i8 with Shiba Inu as a billboard, if that's what the community wants to do. So I'll provide the vehicle. If the community wants to, I will allow y'all to basically come together and wrap the vehicle with Shiba Inu. That way we could bring more investors. You know, I already get a lot of attention from my car. You know, people see the doors go up, they out, you know, ask me what I do for a living. They, you know, ask to take pictures with the car. You know, it's always crazy. But I could just imagine, you know, I just had the idea, like, you know, what if I took that, you know, as an opportunity to use it as a billboard, basically a moving billboard. So y'all know I'm in the city of Las Vegas. We get thousands and thousands of tourists each week. It's ridiculous. So, you know, imagine I'm riding down Las Vegas Boulevard, you know, and everybody's taking pictures, you know, because they do it already. But, you know, now they're seeing the entire car wrapped in Shiba Inu with the Shiba Army on it, you know, so they'll begin to ask questions and, you know, dig into it, you know, and I'll, you know, send them a link so that way they can, you know, tap in with the Shiba Army. So salute. Let me know if y'all think that'll be a good idea or not. So right here, we back on the 4 hour chart. What I'm seeing now, at the bottom of a downtrend, we should get a trend reversal. I mean, I'm sorry, at a doji candle at the bottom of a downtrend, we should get a trend reversal to push us back to the top. So notice we got impulse, correction, impulse, correction. This is where I told y'all we were at last night. We were at that correction stage, and I see us, you know, having some impulse again now. Once you start to notice these patterns, you can start to kind of make them out. And you see it's forming a W right here. A lot of people like to buy right off that W right when it begins to curl up off that confirmation candle. If it holds this area here, we can also pull a lot more indicators in to stack on top of each other to confirm our decision, because you never want to just use one indicator. You know, you want to look at, you know, your RSI, your MACD, your VWAP. You want to look at moving averages. You want to look at volume. You want to look at, you know, a lot of people use different indicators. It depends where you learn from, who taught you, or what you're most comfortable with. But these are some things that I like to do. So I'm trying to, you know, just hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. So here, it's looking like we're forming another. Let's chart this up real quick. So we got some support here. My bad, y'all, my bad. Want to grab your horizontal line for support. So boom, right there. Grab another one. Let's mark up some support and resistance zones. You know, just to see what it's looking like, so we can kind of, you know, begin to identify what's happening. So we can see we're holding that trend. We broke the trend here. Now you see we were in that downtrend. We were in that downtrend. Guess what? It was a signal that I showed y'all yesterday that it was about to go back bullish. When we broke outside of this downtrend and the doji candle started to confirm that we had a trend reversal underway. Then remember I taught y'all about a hammer candle, and then we seen bullish momentum going to the upside. We seen resistance here around that 3 level. And now we're being, sellers pushed it back down. Shout out to everybody reaching out to the channel. I will get to y'all as soon as this video is over. Now we have sellers pushing it here, but buyers are trying to push the price up. Now, one thing too, when you look at a candle, you can tell which direction kind of sometimes that the candle is about to go, because like I like to look at this like almost like a bottle rocket, or like, you know, like a shooting star almost, because this is, you know, basically like a comet. I won't say a shooting star because it's actually a shooting star candle, but it's like a comet basically, you know, the ball here, or the big part here, and then it has like a tail coming off the end. It shows that it's pushing up, like it's aiming up, like an arrow almost about to push up. It's that thin line right there that shows that the pressure wants to push back up. The buyers want to push it up. Why? Because remember I told y'all, green candles open at the bottom, close at the top. Notice we moved right over to the right once the price began to go down. Right where this green candle closed, the red candle opened and closed at the bottom, which started the selling pressure, you know, to the downside. So here, it move over right to the right. We got the open of the red selling candle, close here. Boom, move right to the right. We got the open of the red selling candle, and look, the sellers tried to push it all the way down. This is how a wick is created. So this is how a wick is created, from the sellers pushing it all the way down. But guess what? The buyers came and pushed it all the way back up, pushed it to a little bit to the top to wick it. Guess what? Sellers pushed it back down, and now we're right here. Now they're holding it right here at this range. So this is what happened. I want y'all to really try to understand the movement of the candles so you can really see what's happening. So I'm expecting us to hold support here. And why else do we think this is a good spot to hold support? Let's look back. Okay, let's look back in the chart, and you can see we have previous support and resistance levels right here at this same spot. So we have it right here, but when we go outside of here, right here, we don't have it right here in this range. So we have to, you know, be careful and look at what is our next most likely ranges to hit. So right above there, we got this 27 range with this candle here was finding a resistance, and then a support right there next to it. So we really need to break out of this we need to break back into the 3 range and hold support there. You know, y'all are letting it sell off at the 3 range, or a lot of sellers are already right there. We got to push it up. We need a lot of volume to come in, so that way we can break through here and hold. And then we need some more catalysts to push us and continue to push us through, because we have all-time highs on the way. This is not about to stop just yet. We have the Shiboshi's about to release, Robinhood catalyst potentially on the way. The trading volume for SHIB has been just off the record. Is crazy right now. So also, real quick, I have a few slots left for my technical analysis course. If you would like to have access to 50% off the pre-sale price, email me ASAP, only if you are 100% serious and ready now. DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. My email is in the description section of this video. Reach out to me ASAP. Also, drop a comment. Let me know if y'all appreciate this information that I'm sharing with y'all. Drop them diamond or gem emojis in the comment section, man. Salute to y'all. So now let's check out a new token that is underway on the BSC, Binance Smart Chain, that's about to drop. So I wanted to check it out real quick. So this is, they haven't you know, really taken off yet, but it's very early, low market cap, you know. So come check them out on Twitter at AssistBSC. I will put the Twitter in the description section of this video. You could potentially get in very, very early on this one. So 100% community driven token. Be a part of it. Swap now. You can swap on Pancake Swap. Also, they were retweeted from the what are they called? So No Kid Hungry. They were basically thanked for their support because they will be basically donating a lot of money to this mission. You know, a lot of these tokens right now are charity based, and you know, it's called in the marketing world or the corporate world. Actually, in the corporate world, it's called corporate social responsibility. So that's why you see a lot of these tokens having these charity-driven missions attached to them, because it's like, if you're not providing anything back to the communities that you're a part of, it's like, you know, what are you doing, you know? So come check them out on Instagram as well at AssistBSC. They definitely got to get some more content over here, but you will be early on this project, and that's how you make money in crypto, by being early, not by being late. So also, so it's a low market cap, you know, that means a lot of potential, you know, if you get in early. Definitely want to check them out. They have some major exchange listings on the way that they see coming in the near future. Also, so yeah, you definitely will be supporting a good cause with this project. So a portion of the tokenomics, you know, the buy and sell side will go. You know how a lot of these tokens have fees when you buy or you sell? Well, during that portion of it, a portion of that goes to basically feeding people that are hungry. And that's something that I also want to do on this channel. Y'all will be seeing me host like a drive, like some type of drive. I don't know if it'll be like, you know, to feed the homeless, or if it'll be like just to give back, maybe for you know, kids toys, or you know, I don't know exactly what it is, but y'all let me know what type of giveaway should we host here on the channel. But so each transaction, a total of 8% transaction fee will be charged. So 1% donation and marketing. The donation goes to a good cause. The first donation will be at the end of this quarter to @NoKidHungry. So check them out on Twitter as well. Right here. So there will be a 2% reflection, 2% burn, and a 3% liquidity. So basically, those are the tokenomics. Here's the @NoKidHungry. Tap in with them as well if y'all want to support this mission, man. Check them out. Now let's see what we got real quick. So you see the candle is now turning green. It's flipping green right now. We got to wait a little bit. See, now we're on the 4 hour. This is where, so this is another secret tip right here. If you're waiting on a 4 hour chart, you don't have to stay here the entire time. You know, you can chart it up. You can, you know, let me finish this. You can see, you know, what we have here. You can draw some more trend lines, or, you know, also go check out a different time frame, you know, to see what's happening. So basically we violated this mini uptrend here, and now we're entering a downtrend here. So now what we're going to be looking for is to violate this trend here. Once we start to step outside of here, then, and we get a confirmation, that's how you wait for confirmation. A lot of people might see this doji candle and automatically assume at the end of a downtrend it's about to go back up. But remember, all this information is what's likely to happen. It doesn't mean it's guaranteed to happen. So wait for confirmation. Wait till we get either a hammer candle that's signifying that we're hammering out a bottom price, that the market has agreed on a bottom price. And then if it's outside of here, we can assume, and it closes outside of this trend line, then we can assume that the price is going to go in the bullish direction. Now, some people want to wait for extra confirmation. So they might wait for a green candle to close outside of here, and they'll wait to enter on that next green candle that's forming, to, you know, just to make sure. So that's the smart way to do this. So salute to everybody that's rocking with me. Again, drop if you appreciate this information, if you're finding some value in it. Let me know. Drop something unique that you learned, you know, specifically that you found, like when I showed it to you, that you're like, oh, okay, I like that right there. You know, that's going to help me out a lot. Or also let me know, you know, if this information has helped you make some money so far. Drop that in the comment section. So again, come follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco, and let me know if y'all would like to do, you know, basically getting our own billboards out here to represent the Sheep Army. I'm willing to, you know, wrap my BMW i8 in Sheep Army wrap, you know, just to represent, man. So let me know. That's a lot of free promotion, y'all. Tap in with me. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. And also, I will have the links the links to the Twitter and Telegram, the Discord as well, to assist BSC. So make sure y'all tune in, tap in with them. I'm following them real quick. I'll actually retweet this tweet from them. Y'all come get this tweet, a retweet for me, just so I know that y'all are rocking with me, so I can see who the ones are really paying the most attention. So I'll come retweet that. And that's all we got for this video. If y'all want to check out the merch store, you know what? Never mind. But that's all we got for this video, man. That's all we got. We are out.